good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook ginisang patula with mushroom. It's a very simple dish and yummy and affordable and very quick. Okay, so we need patula, mushroom, tomatoes, garlic, onions, and spring onion for the garnish, and then cooked pork. Okay, saute the garlic. Saute the garlic, the onion, and then tomatoes. Pork. We're gonna add the patula, guys. And then soy sauce. Oh, it's soy sauce. And then we're gonna simmer, guys, for 2 minutes. 1 minute or 2 minutes, and we'll be right back. Guys, so it's cooked. We're gonna add just a little salt. This is our ginisang patula na may with mushroom. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna off the heat. Time. It's very quick, guys. Hey guys, so that's our ginisang patula with mushroom. It's very quick, affordable, and easy to make. Okay, so please follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel, dbroja, to my Instagram, d_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.